Why clenching and grinding your teeth isn't just a harmless way to deal with stress, even if it doesn't seem serious at first. Many people believe it only slightly wears the teeth and disappears once the stress fades away. So, what's really happening? I'll explain. But if you don't want this to happen to you, tap like, subscribe, and share this now. As time passes, the protective outer layer doesn't fully grow back. When that layer is gone, the softer part underneath becomes extra sensitive to heat, cold, and even light pressure. But wait, how many times did I just say teeth?